So, ito po yung order niya mismo. Pinalitan po natin. Nakita nyo naman sa first video. Yan. Tuwang-tuwa na siya. O, buksan mo.
Hindi sa akin to, kay Martina to. Ay,
TV ko na naman.
what's this? Iba naman ang dinati.
Baka may iba kang in-order na ano.
Sige nga. Akala ko yung sunglasses ito. Hindi. This is not my
Ikaw ba?
sticker. How much is it? My gosh. No. Thank you. Why should I? No. This is not mine.
I don't know. You
This is not my
ordered.
order.
It was written your name.
Oh my gosh. Again? Where will I put this? Okay, let's... This is not my order, okay? Nag-applicant ko mga kasama nun. Tapos i-kama nun?
I don't know.
Isubliman nun. Tapos may isubliman nun ya... 81.
Is it your order?
No,
My God. Then why did they do that?
I don't know. TV. Pakita kanyang order ko. Amano gayam jay utang pa niya 20. 81? Did you pay 81?
Yeah.
81, 80, 90, 100. Shall I give you 100?
Mm-hmm. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank.
So this is yours, right?
I know.
Oh my God. Pero bakit pa ano?
Diba? Bye. Thank you for watching.
They keep